The golden ratio, also known as phi, has been observed in various aspects of nature, demonstrating a connection between mathematical principles and the patterns found in the natural world. Here are some examples of how the golden ratio relates to nature. 1. Spiral patterns. Many spiral patterns in nature, such as those found in seashells, e.g., nautilus, sunflower seed arrangements, and the growth of ferns, follow a logarithmic spiral that approximates the golden ratio. As these organisms grow, new elements are added at a consistent angle that corresponds to the golden ratio, resulting in visually pleasing and efficient structures. 2. Flower petals. The number of petals on certain flowers often follows Fibonacci numbers, which are closely related to the golden ratio. For instance, lilies and irises tend to have 3 petals, buttercups have 5, delphiniums have 8, and daisies can have 13 or 21 petals. These numbers are consecutive terms in the Fibonacci sequence, which converges towards the golden ratio. 3. Tree branches. The branching patterns of trees, such as the arrangement of branches along the trunk or the division of smaller branches, often exhibit a ratio close to the golden ratio. This pattern allows efficient distribution of resources, maximizing exposure to sunlight and efficient nutrient transport. 4. Human body proportions. While the application of the golden ratio to the human body is subjective, certain body proportions have been associated with it. For example, the ratio of the height of the navel to the height of a person is often close to the golden ratio. The ratio of the length of the forearm to the length of the hand, and the ratio of the length of the finger segments, also approximate the golden ratio in some individuals. 5. Waves and tides. The golden ratio has been observed in the oscillations of waves and the relationship between high and low tides. Certain patterns in waveforms and tidal cycles exhibit ratios close to the golden ratio. It's important to note that while these examples show instances where the golden ratio is present in nature, not all aspects of nature follow the golden ratio precisely, and its occurrence can vary. The presence of the golden ratio in nature has fascinated scientists and artists, who often draw inspiration from its harmonious and aesthetically pleasing qualities. Overall, the connection between the golden ratio and nature highlights the intriguing relationship between mathematics and the patterns observed in the natural world. It demonstrates that mathematical principles can sometimes mirror the inherent beauty and efficiency found in nature's designs.